Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Cisco Apprenticeship 2024 results out yesterday night. Cisco start sending letter of intent mail. It's a big news for everyone. I already told in my Cisco Telegram channel, mid of June you will get a letter of intent mail, and also whoever asked me in comment section on our video, and also whoever messaged me. So exactly on 14th of June, Cisco start sending letter of intent mail to candidates. Okay, so in this mail, we are pleased to inform you that you have been shortlisted for the role of Technical Graduate Apprenticeship Data Engineer Trainee under the Cisco Apprenticeship Program. This will be an in-person program at Cisco Bangalore. So guys, whoever not received this letter of intent mail, please do wait. No need to panic. Okay, don't worry. We'll discuss all your doubt in this video. Whatever you have doubt, we'll cover all those points. Okay, in this video. If still you have doubt, do comment on this video. Right, yeah, need your support guys. Please do like our video, subscribe our channel, whoever not subscribe it. Let's just start today video. Like Cisco Apprenticeship April to June 2024 result out. Okay, on 14th of June 2024 around 11 p.m. Cisco start sending letter of intent mail to candidates. Okay, whoever got letter of intent mail, please do comment on this video with your role. Okay, for which role you have received the letter of intent mail, right? And also, like guys, I have done a lot of efforts for you guys. Uh, I make video for you for your better future. Okay, for all your doubt I have covered in this video. So I need your support. I am expecting a like from your side, and please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends whoever need a job. Please do share our channel. I am uploading jobs update, interview questions, interview experience on regular basis. Okay, you can check our channel recent video. Okay, you will get lot of content, and more content I will add in next week in upcoming days. That is beneficial for you, your career, like regarding jobs update for freshers, for experience, interview question, interview experience. Okay, company review regarding salary hike, project, okay, a roadmap for your career, for experience, for freshers. Okay, for new technology. Okay, for recession, everything. So please do support, please subscribe our channel. Those who not received letter of intent mail, don't worry. Yes guys, no need to panic. Okay, we'll discuss this point later on. Okay, in detail. As of now I have seen three role letter of intent. Okay, so apart from these three role, if you received a letter of intent, please do comment, and also document if you received any letter of intent for any role. Okay, software engineer trainee, data engineer trainee, and site reliability engineer. So candidate status who received letter of intent mail. First candidate, data engineer trainee. Date of assessment 5th May 2024. Date of interview 21st May 2024. PDC mail 23rd May 2024. Feedback mail 27th May 2024. And letter of intent mail 14 June 2024, yesterday night. So this is the status of candidate who received letter of intent mail yesterday night. Next, next candidate. Okay, so this candidate role was site reliability engineer role. Okay, date of assessment 5th May 2024. Interview date 14th May 2024. PDC and NETS ID submission mail 23rd May 2024. Feedback mail 30 May 2024. Letter of intent yesterday 14 June 2024. Third candidate, status software engineer role. He received for software engineer role. Date of assessment 19th May. Interview date 30th May 2024. PDC and NETS ID submission mail on 3rd June 2024. Feedback mail 10th of June 2024. Letter of intent 14 June, yesterday night. Right. So now coming for candidates doubt regarding Cisco selection process. So I covered all your doubt in this video. If you have still doubt, do comment on this video. Right. First doubt: those who not received letter of intent mail means rejection. No, no rejection. whoever not received letter of intent mail yet, that means no rejection. I tell you why. Cisco will send letter of intent in batch wise, okay, role wise. So wait for the updates, right? They start sending letter of intent from yesterday night, 11 p.m. They have sent on around 12 a.m. also. So you need to wait. Soon they will release next batch letter of intent, role wise letter of intent. Okay, according to the business requirement. Okay, cutoff. They will declare in like round wise letter of intent results. Okay, so round one will be this cutoff. Then they will decrease some cutoff for round two, like that. Okay, and it depends also, like if candidates not join their company in August month, then also they will release letter of intent in September month, like in August month itself, and their joining will be September month. So like that, uh, Cisco hiring process going on, Cisco apprenticeship hiring process. As I said earlier, Cisco will send letter of intent from mid of June. Okay, in my Telegram channel, whoever asked out on me in message or in comment section on our YouTube video, I already told you, like they will start sending from mid of June to till last week of July, to till last week of July, guys. So you have still more than 1 month. Okay, so keep patience and wait for the next updates. Moreover, you will get within 1 to 3 weeks, you will get a letter of intent. Okay, everyone will get update in next to 1 to 3 weeks, but still you have chance. Okay, till July, and more few of candidate will get in August month also. So Cisco will send rejection mail also. Yeah, so Cisco will send you rejection mail also. Whoever doubt regarding rejection mail, so you have to wait until rejection mail. So until rejection mail, you have chance to get a letter of intent. So just wait. Okay. I am not received PDC or NETS ID submission mail means rejection. No, no guys. If you haven't received PDC mail or NETS ID submission, that doesn't mean you rejected from Cisco apprenticeship. If you haven't submit PDC or NETS ID, then only you will get this mail. So last time this was the scenario. Whoever not submit the PDC on in the application form or NETS ID in the application form, those only get this mail. But also this time also, but most of the candidate receiving this PDC mail, okay, for LOI. Also, still you have possibility to get this PDC mail, and 1 to 2 weeks they will send. So whoever not received PDC mail or NETS ID submission mail, still you have possibility. Okay, so wait 1 2 weeks, you will get update regarding regarding on your application status. I have received PDC or NETS ID submission mail means selected. Yes. If you received PDC or NETS ID submission mail means you are selected. Wait for letter of intent. If you have not received it, okay, you will get by July. By end of by first week of July, by end of June only you will get, okay, letter of intent. So if you have received PDC or NETS ID submission mails, you are selected 100%. Fourth question, I am not received feedback mail means rejection. No, that doesn't mean you are rejected, right? Am received feedback means selection. No, but high chance for LOI, but it doesn't mean you are selected. Last time what happened, whoever done with interview, everyone received the feedback mail, but this time most of the people received not most of the people received feedback mail, but earlier everyone was received feedback mail whoever done the interview. So am received feedback mail means selection. I can't say yes. It's no. Okay. This is neutral kind of mail which can receive any candidate whoever done all three round of interview. Right. Sixth point, I am done with all three rounds of interview. Still chance of rejection? Yes. After ETR HR round also, you have chance of rejection. So if you done HR round, that doesn't mean you are selected, but less chance of rejection after ETR HR round. Yeah, possibility is very less, but still you have chance. And one big thing I am going to tell you, one big update. Few candidate told me In few panel, they sent a list of name in Webex space after HR round. In that list, in that candidate's name of selection and rejection, they have sent two separate lists for selection and rejection after ETR HR round. So if you are a part of this panel, then you already knew your results. So yeah, so after ATR HR round, if you if you got the result like uh, of selection and rejection, then you already knew your results. So this thing happened in few panel only. If you are part of this panel, then please do comment on this video. Seventh point, okay. Don't have PDC document, will they reject? No. If you don't have the PDC document, it's not your fault. Okay, they will give you the time until offer joining. So after letter of intent, they will release your offer letter. Okay, so at that time, until you have chance to submit your provisional, and in some case they will give you extension till your joining also. So till August, you have chance to submit your PTC document. So don't worry about if you don't have the PTC document. Tell him the valid reason, like your college, university. Okay, you have not received from your college, university. 8 point, nets enrollment ID not generated yet. Okay, so whoever not generated their nets ID yet, please register as soon as possible. If you don't have the PDC upload, if you don't have the PDC upload final semester mark sheet in this column, once you will get PDC, update it. Okay, so by doing this, you will get the enrollment ID. Okay, so please do this if anyone facing this issue. I have work experience and PF account, I am eligible. No, as per the criteria, you are not eligible if you have PF account and work experience, because this apprenticeship role for freshers only. But you can manage. Okay, but you can manage. Cisco will not doing any cross checking regarding your experience, work experience and PF account. Never say I have any experience. Okay, you have to never say any experience. Okay, your PF account must close at present time. Okay, so in Cisco apprenticeship, they will not open your PF account. Cisco will not open your PF account. So also they will not cross check your previous history on PF account. But at present, you must close your PF account, and never tell to Cisco team like you have any experience. Then you are eligible. Like you will get a letter of intent, offer letter, and you can work also. It's fine. Then no problem. Like many candidates selected and doing Cisco apprenticeship after experience and PF account also. Yeah, last time and before last time also candidates are doing. No issue, no issue. Waiting for waiting for interview call after assessment. Still chance? Yes. Whoever waiting for the interview after assessment, still you have chance. Wait, and definitely they will conduct interview. I think last week also they conducted. Um, in upcoming days also they will conduct. So in this video you will get all the interview questions. Okay, from May month, June month. So please go and check all those questions. You can crack easily. Still, Cisco will take interview who done with assessment. Wait for the update. Cisco will take interview till mid of July. Yeah, till mid of July, last week of July, Cisco will take this interview. Yeah, so joining date will be your batch wise and role wise. Okay, so first batch will be going to start from August 2024, first week or mid of August 2024. Second batch will be September 2024. Right. So still, if any have doubt regarding job location, it's a Bangalore work from office. A stipend will be 38,000 in hand plus other benefits also you will get. Chance of permanent employee, okay, very less, depends on business requirement and your performance, but this experience will help you to get a new job fastly. Okay, so this is all about your doubt. Still, if you have any doubt, please do comment on this video. Will reply you. Yes, guys. Still, if you have any doubt regarding anything regarding Cisco selection process or anything, do comment on this video. Will reply you immediate. Okay, need your support, guys. Like our video and subscribe the channel. Yeah, so please do. All the best. Okay, good luck. Thank you.